Okay, we're going to do a mod on the Gasmate butane stove. Everybody's got one of these, I'm sure. At the moment, I've just put the gas bottle in. It's probably, let's have a look here. It's about half full. About half full. It doesn't really matter. Lock it into place. We'll just check the temp. We've got it here 12 degrees. Okay, we'll just fire it up. It's got a nice flame there. You'll see the flame's quite good. It's got to be at least 7 or 8 centimetres high. That's pretty good. Yeah, what happens is that as the pressure drops in the cylinder, the liquid boils off and you get a lot of heat absorption, and that's when things start to get very cold and the gas flow starts to reduce. It's actually a real pain actually, but we'll just let it run for a little while. Just check that temp again. Yeah, we're dropping. We're down to 11 degrees C. And it doesn't have to be on long. This one is pretty good. It's an upgrade from an earlier one that I've got. I'll just grab it. It's an upgrade from this one. Yeah, it's an upgrade from this. This is pretty. I've had this one a few years. They're very similar. I do think this one's got a better flame. But you can do the same mod on either. You can see yellow flame there. The flame is dropping already. Yes, the flame's dropping. It's down probably to about 3 centimetres high. She's got the yellow in there and it's flickering. So that the flame is dropping. Let's check the cylinder temperature. We're down to, I guess it all depends where we take the temperature from, usually at the end here. About 14 degrees. I'll see if I can get it right there where it's 7 degrees. There we are. Right there. That's where we need to check it. And what happens is that when the liquid boils off, you get freezing at the point where the gas vapour comes through here into the regulator. And already there we can see the flame is really dropping off. I might add it's a pain. Not too bad on a hot day, but today, if I just check, I'll just check the concrete of the floor here. It is 10 degrees. That's just the concrete on the floor. And I don't know whether you can see that. It's on full here, it's on high, and the flame has noticeably dropped. I think you'd be struggling to cook some snags on that. It'll take a while. She's dropping away. You can see it dropping away there. It's dropped away to the height of the guard here on the top of the burner. Yeah, she's dropping right off, and I'd say we're about 4 minutes into it, and yes, she's dropping right off. I'll just double check that temperature again. 7 degrees. Yep, that flame, it wouldn't surprise me if it goes out. That flame has dropped right down. That's just incredible. So I'm going to turn the video off now and we'll do our little mod and I'll come back. All right, what we've got is a little 12 volt heat mat with a couple of rubber bands around the bottle. And I'm just having a look now at what temperature it is. 36 degrees. Nice. Oh yeah. Oh, that's nice. Okay, now we'll fire it up. Okay. We fired it up. And it was 4 minutes beforehand, and I'll just cover that up just to keep the heat in. It was 4 minutes and the flame went yellow. So we'll just see how many minutes it takes, if at all, the flame drops. There's a little bit of wind around, but I'm quite happy with this. Connecting to the battery, there was hardly any spark at all. So I would imagine the current flow is very low. Let's just check that mat again. Let's have a look. 70 degrees C. Well, if that doesn't keep the bottle warm, I don't know what will. I think that's pretty safe. I'll leave a link in the description below on how to get them. I do have another one here, which I will use with the other cooker. Sometimes when we go out, I take 2 cookers, depending on how many people there are. But so far, we're 2 minutes into it and it's looking good. I'm quite happy with that. There's a tiny bit of yellow flame there. Let's have a look. I'll point it at the front of the cylinder. It's 11 degrees at the front. And on the mat, there you are, 70 degrees. That's not bad. That's warm enough to cook coffee. Drop that in a coffee cup. Warm your coffee up. You know, if you're really keen, you could put both of those mats on there. You probably put that one on the side. I don't think you need to. If that's pumping out 70 degrees C, we've been going 3 minutes and 13 seconds now. I reckon that's pretty good. That's pretty good. It's a pretty cold day today. It's winter here in Australia. And the flame looks like it's right up. The flame is about that high. So, yeah, it's pretty good so far. There's a slight bit of yellow flame there, but that's acceptable. Unlike what it was with the bottle without the heat mat. I don't know. Tell me what you think. We'll just check that mat again. Looks like it's got a 73 degrees C. 73, 74, 77, about 70. That's not bad. That's all right. We're nearly 4.5 minutes in. I think that's pretty good. I'm pretty happy with that. Let's see what it's like to touch. Oh yeah, you can't leave Oh yeah, you can't leave your hand on there for too long. Oh, that's quite hot. In fact, I think those rubber bands, I'll have to change the rubber bands to put something different on. Maybe a couple of zip ties. I'm not sure. But I don't think those rubber bands will cut it. What I mean to say is I don't think that they will last. Because that's quite hot there. That's 70 to... That is... Yeah, 65 degrees, 70, yeah. And on the front of the can, where it freezes, 16 degrees. That's not too bad. That's not too bad. That's pretty good. Anyway, that's my mod. Tell me what you think. It's completely safe. I'll just grab the, just a minute, I'll just turn this off. There you go, the current draw is about 1 amp, 0.993. So that's pretty good. That battery will probably last all day. That's 1 amp it's drawing, that's not too bad, I'm quite happy with that. I'll put that back on. Put that back on there. It's dropped down a little bit because I had the terminal, took the terminal off. Yeah, 50 degrees. There you go. The flame hasn't changed. What's going on? The door's closing. Oh no, the door's closing. You can see the flame better now. That's not too bad. That's a pretty good flame. Just as well I close the door, you wouldn't be able to see it otherwise. Let's just check that again. We'll check the front of the bottle. The front of the bottle is 15 degrees. That's 10 degrees, 9. That's not bad. And the mat, what about the back of the bottle there? The end of the bottle? The end of the bottle is 13, 15. Yeah, that's pretty good. And the mat, 67, 68. Yeah. All right. Tell me what you reckon. Thank you.